So you have an issue with tracking your sleep on any of the Fitbit trackers or watches. Doesn't matter if you have any of the Fitbit Charges or Versa, the Fitbit Luxe, the Fitbit Ace, the Fitbit Sense, and so on. It doesn't matter. But basically you have an issue where it's not tracking when you sleep, or maybe it's only tracking partially, or maybe it's just inaccurate. Now I had issues with some of these Fitbit watches in the beginning with tracking my sleep, which is very important to me. Okay, and what I found out is this: there's two basic things. Okay, there's nothing you have to go into settings or anything like that to track your sleep. It's basically this. All right. First thing is make sure that it's on your wrist. Okay, you don't want it down here. You want to basically move it up a little bit, and you don't want to make it too tight or too loose. So for me, my sweet spot is right about here, just like this. Okay, now the other thing, the more important thing, is I want you to do this if you're having trouble with tracking. With the app actually tracking your sleep. Do this 2 hours before you go to bed every night. Make sure to sync it. Okay, so at most 2 hours. Okay, so 2 hours before you're about to go to bed, or 1 hour 30 minutes, or 1 minute, just go to your Fitbit app, make sure you click on today, and just slide down to go ahead and sync it. Wait till it says sync is complete. There you go. Now you're ready to go to sleep, and when you wake up in the morning, you should see a accurate indication of your sleep. Now also take note that I think if you sleep less than like 50 minutes, basically you take a nap, it's not going to track under 50 minutes, but over 50 minutes it'll track. Okay, anyway, I hope that helped you guys out. If it's working now, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if it's not, give me a thumbs down. We should see probably like a 95% thumbs up, right? Good luck, guys.